A couple days ago, Nike hinted that we're gonna get the Jordan 4 Thunders real soon. Last year we got the red Thunders, and this year we're gonna get this same sneaker with the yellow treatment, which is the original colorway of this shoe if you guys didn't know. If you've been on the sneakers app recently, Nike made a poll basically saying, are you team early or are you gonna wait for the release on the Thunder 4s? In a little bit we'll get into what I feel like is gonna happen, but if you guys do end up enjoying this video, make sure you leave a like on it down below, subscribe to the channel if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. My video about the Jordan 1 lost and found yesterday is going crazy. I think it's like over 8K views for a sneaker video. That shit is amazing. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Thank y'all for showing love and showing up. This time we're gonna talk about these Thunder 4s. Real quick before we get started, if you guys are trying to support my brand once we drop, I got a couple pieces that I am gonna be dropping. All you gotta do is sign up for my brand on NORI.co. We're gonna be coming real soon. I actually got a video discussing the story behind my brand and all that. Sign up, that way you get 10% off and early access on the release. So let's get into the Thunder 4 shock drop that might be coming this week on SNKRS app. The Jordan 4 Thunders are set to release May 13th. Typically JB does either an exclusive access, a shock drop for these hyped releases. Would make sense if they do one for the Jordan 4 Thunder. I feel like it's a sneaker that a lot of people have been waiting on ever since they released in 2012 if I'm not mistaken. So it would make sense for them to do an early release, get the sneaker a little bit more hyped leading into the actual release. In my opinion, I feel like SNKRS is testing something new. My theory is that if you click on the poll right here, it might enter you in some type of algorithm that'll let them know, listen, they want the sneaker, this is an actual human, it's not a bot. Because if you really think about it, SNKRS app has been run by bots lately. Most botters are cooking up on sneakers like crazy, bro. You and me have a couple accounts. Botters have hundreds if not thousands of accounts that they can enter on these releases with, and it kind of ends up putting us at a disadvantage as far as these releases go. So I feel like they're testing new theories. New method of doing so is through these polls. So make sure you go and enter this poll right here if you haven't already. If it's still on the SNKRS app, it doesn't hurt to go on there, you feel me? Click a little button real quick, boom, and you're in the poll. Especially since Nike has been trying to find different ways to combat bots. Bots are low-key only getting better, and they're trying to find a way to get past that with the bot protection. I feel like this is a pretty genius way to get past it, bro. Like, imagine all of us vote on this shit and we end up getting early access, exclusive access, all that shit just for clicking it. That's a dub in my opinion, bro. And it's kind of proven that Nike does shit like that because somebody voted for the Prada Air Maxes and ended up getting exclusive access after voting. So we never know, you feel me? I just want to see what SNKRS is doing behind the scenes to help us manual users get the sneakers, because that's what it's about at the end of the day. Obviously, when there's new shock drops coming, new sneakers on the way, we see a bunch of Instagram accounts, YouTube pages post, yo, there's a shock drop on the way. What SNKRS is doing is basically getting ahead of that and saying, yo, there's a fucking shock drop on the way. Might as well we let y'all know rather than other people do it. That's kind of what I'm getting from this. Then they're adding the little poll system, which I feel like is going to determine if people get access or not. I don't know. I just feel like that's a new tactic that they're trying to roll out. I feel like they wouldn't be doing that for no reason. Everything on the SNKRS app is strategic and tactical. If they're really trying to eliminate bots, that's the good way to do it, bro, because all these bots can't go physically onto the app and vote on separate things. They do know that us as humans obviously can't. This is interesting, bro. I want to know what you guys feel in the comments. Do you feel like this is something that Nike is doing to benefit us, or it's simply just to get more people on the app clicking shit? I honestly want to know what you guys have to say about that. Another reason I feel like this shock drop is actually coming is because the sneaker releases in a month, and typically we do end up seeing early releases dropping on the SNKRS app. They've done it for a bunch of our favorite releases, from the lost and found Jordan 1s, Reimagined 3s had an early release as well. A bunch of the sneakers that do end up coming out and people are hyped for typically get an early release. So I don't see why the Thunder 4s would be an exception, if that makes sense. Let me know in the comments if this is a sneaker that you're going to be purchasing. Definitely want to keep your post notifications on. If I see anything happen and I have time, I definitely will go live for y'all. It is Monday right now when I'm filming this. So far, we haven't seen the lost and found release. I honestly thought it would be today because there wasn't anything loaded up. up, that does not mean that it's not gonna happen. A lot of people are commenting on my previous video saying, yo, it didn't happen, boom, boom. That was just a prediction that I thought it was gonna happen today. That does not mean it's not gonna happen, bro. I definitely feel like the restock is coming for the lost and founds, and the shock drop for the Thunders is definitely gonna come soon. Let me know if you guys agree or disagree in the comments. Also, if you were to get one of the two pairs, which one would you get? The red Thunders or the original Thunders? I'm honestly interested in seeing what you guys have to say. As much as I love the red on this pair, I kinda would rather the Thunders, bro. I don't know what it is about them. JB does a bunch of red sneakers, so when you see yellow on a Jordan 4, it kind of makes me gravitate towards it more. Maybe I'm tripping, but that's just how I feel. The Thunders are gonna do good for a couple reasons. Jordan 4s is basically the only GR Jordan these days that does good resale wise, no matter the colorway, unless obviously it's trash. So resellers gonna be on this shit. It's an OG colorway that's coming back. Summertime's around the corner, so brighter colors are gonna be in. Definitely don't want to miss out on these Thunder 4s. I know I don't. If I could choose from these or those, I would choose those any day. Maybe it's just the nostalgia getting to me, but at the end of the day, I feel like it's a sneaker that you definitely don't want to sleep on. The sneaker game is low-key heating up, bro, because we heard that on the back end of sneakers, the Jordan 1 Olive Travis Scotts were loaded up, so we might get some info on those soon. Subscribe and stay tuned because I will be covering it here on the channel. Those are gonna have an early release as well. Did recently get a couple crazy leaks for sneakers that I'm gonna cover in an upcoming video from the Union ones. Those 4s that I brought up in yesterday's video, I promise y'all I'm gonna talk about it real soon. This poll was not for no reason, bro. I voted on this one. Low-key around like 200,000 people voted. I don't know if it's still up or if it's not, but if it is, make sure y'all go on the sneakers app and try to vote. You never know, you feel me? You might get exclusive access for clicking one button on your phone. Don't waste no time. If y'all are enjoying this video so far, make sure you leave a like on this shit and subscribe to the channel. Yesterday's video doing so good, low-key put a battery in my ass. I'm about to start going crazy with the sneaker videos, and I'm hella excited, bro. I literally gained 100 subs since yesterday, bro. Let's see if we can keep this shit going. I appreciate each and every one of y'all who come through and show love on a daily basis or whenever we post. Hopefully y'all are able to cop whenever these do release. Make sure y'all check out yesterday's video because I spoke about the Jordan 1 Lost and Found restock, which is supposed to be coming soon. Keep showing love on the videos. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel. With all that being said, I hope you have a great rest of your day, night, whenever you're watching. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.